Hello friends, welcome back JavaTCoding. My name is Sanjay Kumar and in this video I will explain the finally block and the exception handling. So finally block, it's basically used to close the opening resources like database connection, file, stream. These are the important resources we can close using the finally block. Finally block is always executed whether the exception is handled or not. I will give the example how can we use the finally block. Finally block, it is always used with the try or catch block. Without try or catch block we cannot use the finally block. Example, main method. Here, so I will give the simple example to understand how we can implement the finally block. This is the catch block, try and catch block. Also I am using the finally block with the try catch block. So here is the integer a equals to 10, sys out a, and this might be throw an exception, so I will handle this exception. E dot print structures finds this out, finally block executed. Alright, sys out rest of the code. So here, now run this program. Here finally block is executed and the rest of the but the catch block it's not get executed because at this statement there is no exception occurred. Exception is not occurred at this statement. If I write this, so if there is an exception is not occurred, finally block is executed, right? Now at this statement arithmetic exception is occurred. Let's see finally block will get executed or not. So here in arithmetic exception occurred, so here the catch block will get executed and the finally block is also get executed, as we can see here, and the rest of the code. So as I said, the finally block is always executed whether the exception is occurred or not, right? There is a one condition, then finally block will not get executed. Interviewer mostly ask this question: is there any condition to finally block will not get executed? So I will show you. This is the condition: system dot exit. So this is the only the condition, finally block will not get executed. See, so right, so we have understood in this video how we can use the finally block with the try or catch block. In the next video I will explain the throw and how we can throw the exception using the throw keyword. So thank you. If you like this video, please comment, subscribe. Thanks.